Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show and Juice Bar channel and also food news channel. Anyway guys, today on the Juice Bar channel we want to make you a salami. Very nice lovely salad. Basically I know you guys definitely gonna love this one, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box, and also we're going to use a lot of vegetables and a lot of bits and pieces. Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe, clicking the notification bell and get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team, and don't forget to subscribe and clicking the bell. Remember, subscribe is very important for me and the team. Alright guys, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Watch this video and see where we can do the best for you today. Salami with vegetables. Enjoy this lovely salad. Thank you for watching. Nice and lovely guys. So basically we have some mixed leaf right here, which I have with some spinach. Very nicely and simple little recipe today. Anyway, I have some salami left over and I decided to do a simple little salad with it now. So I'm gonna use my scissors and simple just cut it up into some slices. Alright guys, so basically this salami you can use it to make salad, sandwich and all these things, but I'm just gonna make a salad with this what I have left over. It's not even a lot, it's just a little bit I have left over. I decided to do a salad. Alright, so first thing what you want to do is to loose up it. You don't want to have it stick on together because that not gonna look nice. So you just want to get it really free, and no say yeah, it's gonna come out lovely and nice. Alright guys, yeah, I know you guys definitely will love this, so no without a doubt neither. I know 100%. Tomato. Alright, it's a must, so we're gonna put some tomato inside of it. Nicely. I make some salad like this back in the days, you know what I mean? Because you know Chef Ricardo always making salad. I'm gonna use this feet a little bit soft. Cucumber is a must. Cut up some red onion. And some spring onion. And some celery. I love my celery. Nice. So that look good? Don't play with Chef Ricardo when I'm in the kitchen. Alright, then we're going to put some olive oil. Lovely. Some chili. And some pepper. That's how you do it. That is beautiful. That's a beautiful recipe for me and you guys. Wow, what is that happening? What is that happening? It's like a earthquake. Anyway, now what we're going to do, I'm just going to just simple mix it up and I'm going to transfer it straight inside of that bowl. Alright, so what I'm going to do at the moment, I'm just mix up everything together. And what I'm gonna do is a simple transfer it straight inside of this lovely bowl right here. Alright guys, so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so look at that. That is fantastic. Beautiful and nice. Simple green salad with some nice lovely salami. Beautiful recipe. Alright, don't afraid to use a hand, guys. A lot of chef doesn't like to use a hand when they're doing stuff, but it's good to use gloves. But look at that. That is fantastic, and I definitely love that recipe. I love it. I love it. I love that salad recipe, guys. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful one. So, as you can see exactly how the salad come out lovely and nice. All I need to do now is put some of this cracked pepper on top of it like this. And some chili. Because I love my chili and my, you know. This is some garlic. That's gonna definitely bring in a lovely color to it. Beautiful. Look at that. That is fantastic. And that is beautiful and really nice. That's some more chili because this chili is finished now. I just need to go in the bin. See that? That's exactly what I'm talking about. That is exactly what I'm talking about right there. So anyway guys, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas like this week, but coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Don't forget guys, it's very important, clicking the notification bell, get the latest update from me on the team, and I will see you next time with more recipe like this. This is a very easy and simple and delicious salad recipe from Chef Ricardo today. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.